Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert. Number 1. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is the world's #1 customer relationship management (CRM) platform, a CRM system that allows businesses to manage business relationship and the data with information associated with them. Number 2. What is the difference between Salesforce.com and Force.com? Salesforce.com is a customer relationship management (CRM) application developed based on software as a service (SaaS). Force.com (PaaS) is a platform that helps developers and business users to build powerful enterprise applications. Number 3. What is app in Salesforce? A Salesforce app is a group of tabs that make it easy for users to access a set of related features in the full Salesforce.com browser app. Number 4. What are tabs? Tabs help us in making the views which help users to see the information at a glance. Number 5. What is a profile? A profile is a collection of permissions and settings that determines users' functional access, apps, tabs, object-level permissions, how information is displayed to the user. Number 6. What is the difference between the standard profile and custom profile? Standard profiles are included with Salesforce that are not fully customizable, whereas the custom profile are created by the administrator and fully customizable. Number 7. What is role? In Salesforce, roles are defined to increase the data visibility a particular user has. Record level sharing can be done by organization-wide defaults, OWD, role hierarchy, sharing rules. Number 8. What is sharing rules? Sharing rules in Salesforce makes automatic exceptions to your organization-wide default, sharing settings for a defined set of users. Number 9. What are the differences between a role and profile? Roles are one of the ways you can control access to records, and profiles determine what the user can do, view, or edit on that record. Number 10. Number of standard profiles available in Salesforce.com. There are 6 Salesforce standard user profiles in Salesforce. Standard profiles which mostly used are System Administrator, Standard User, Read Only, Solution Manager, Marketing User, Contract Manager. Number 11. What is page layout and record types in Salesforce? Page layout is used to organize UI pages for the users based on their user profile. Record types allow you to associate different business processes to define different sets of pick list values based on their user profile. Number 12. What are organization-wide defaults? Organization-wide defaults, or OWDs, are the baseline security U for your Salesforce instance. Organizational-wide defaults are used to restrict access. Number 13. What is role hierarchy? Similar to an organization chart, a role hierarchy represents a level of data access that a user or group of users needs. Number 14. What are the different types of relationship in Salesforce? Salesforce provides the following types of relationships that can be established among objects: master detail relationship, lookup relationship, self relationship, external lookup relationship, indirect lookup relationship, many-to-many relationship, junction object, hierarchical relationship. Number 15. What is field level security? Field level security in Salesforce gives permissions at object level to restrict users' access to view and edit some fields on object. Field level security is controlled by profiles and permission set. Number 16. What are the different data management tools in Salesforce? Data Import Wizard, Data Loader. Number 17. What is Data Import Wizard? Using Data Import Wizard, we can load up to 50,000 records at a time. It supports .csv file. It supports for accounts and contacts, leads, solutions, and campaign members, standard object, and custom object. Number 18. What is Data Loader? Data Loader is a tool or application used for Salesforce to import and export bulk data. Number 19. What is Export and Export All in Data Loader? Export button is used to export all records of a particular object in the system to a .csv file, excluding records present in recycled bin. Whereas in the case of Export All button, all records, including records present in recycled bin, for that particular object are exported to a .csv file. Number 20. What is Formula Field in Salesforce? Formula Field is a read-only field that derives its values for the formula expression you define. We cannot edit formula field. When the source field gets changed, the formula field changes automatically. Number 21. What are cross-object formula field? Cross-object formula field displays one object record in other related object by referencing merge fields on these objects. Cross-object formulas also work with lookup relationships. 22. What is reports? A report is a set of records displayed in the form of rows and columns. Reports data can be filtered, grouped, and displayed graphically as a chart. Reports are stored in folder, which controls who has access. 23. What are the different report formats? Tabular reports, summary reports, matrix reports, joined reports. Number 24. What is tabular reports? It is the simplest and fastest report formats. It displays the rows as records and fields are listed as columns just like a spreadsheet. It supports sorting of records. Number 25. What is summary reports? This report allows a user to group rows of data, summarize a field value, which also supports sorting and display subtotals. Number 26. What is matrix reports? In this report, records are summarized in a grid format. It allows the records to be grouped by both columns and rows. Number 27. What is joined reports? In this type of report, user can create multiple report blocks that provide different views of your data. In this format of report, we can organize the data in the form of block. You can add up to 5 blocks in a single report. Each block is defined as a subreport, report type. It can have its own field, columns, sorting, and filtering. Number 28. What is conditional highlighting in Salesforce reports? Conditional highlighting is a powerful way to show values in report within given limits. Using conditional highlighting, we can specify colors for different ranges of values in reports. Number 29. What is bucket fields? Bucketing lets you quickly categorize report records without having to create a formula or a custom field. Number 30. Which field type does bucketing field support? It supports the field type of pick list, number, text. Number 31. What are dashboard? Salesforce Dashboard is the visual representation of snapshots that are generated from Salesforce reports data. Using Salesforce Dashboard components, you can convert business requirements in graphical representation using Salesforce reports. Like reports, dashboard are also stored in folders. Number 32. What are the different dashboard components? Scatter chart, line chart, funnel chart, vertical bar chart, donut chart, horizontal bar chart, pie chart, gauge, metric, table, Visualforce pages. Number 33. What is validation rules? Validation rule helps the user to improve the data quality by preventing the users from entering the incorrect data. In simple words, we can say that validation rule validates the user data. Number 34. Who is user? User is an individual who has credentials to log into Salesforce and use the application. Number 35. What is workflow? What are the types of workflow? Workflow rules are the automated process used in business process to send email alerts, assign a task, update a field on rule criteria or action-based criteria requirements. Types of workflow. Task, assign a task. Email alert, send an email. Field update, update a field. Outbound message, send an outbound message to external system. Number 36. What are approval process? Approval process are used in the business process to approve or reject the record. It involves approval or rejection of records where one person creates the record and submits that record for approval. Number 37. What are assignment rules? Assignment rules automatically assign incoming leads and cases to specific agents so that the right person works on the right leads and cases. Number 38. What are queues? Queues allow the group of users to manage a shared workload more efficiently. It prioritizes your support team's workload by creating lists from which specific agents can jump in to solve certain types of cases. Number 39. What are auto-response rules? Auto-response rules automatically send personalized email templates for new cases and new leads from your website. Number 40. What is escalation rules? Escalation rules automatically escalate cases to the right people when the cases aren't solved by a certain time. 41. What is Chatter in Salesforce? Chatter is a Salesforce real-time collaboration application that lets your users work together, talk to each other, and share information. Number 42. What is Visualforce? Visualforce is the component-based UI framework that hosted on the force.com PaaS platform that allows to build sophisticated custom user interface framework, includes a tag-based markup language similar to HTML. Number 43, what is time-dependent workflow? The workflow that are scheduled to happen at a later time. Number 44, what is Apex? Apex is an object-oriented programming language that enables the developers to add the business logic. Number 45, what is Apex class? Apex class is a collection of variables and methods. Number 46, what is Apex triggers? Triggers are a programmatic event handler that gets executed when a DML operation occurs on an S-object record. Number 47, what is static resources? Static resources is a place where you can upload the supporting files and can be referenced in a Visualforce page. Number 48, what is custom components? Custom components are the user-defined components that can be reused several times in one or more Visualforce pages. Number 49, what is MVC architecture? When a custom object is created in Salesforce and a VF is created to display the details of the record of the custom object using controller, in this scenario, we observe three parts: object creation, Visualforce page, controller. Object creation is a part of model. Visualforce page is a part of view. Controller is a part of controller. Number 50, what is test class? Test class is basically used to test the business functionality by using some dummy data in the code. It will show you the number of lines covered. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.